Welcome to CineBattle, the show where two filmmakers battle against each other through a filmmaking challenge. Last week we saw Yannick, Team Blue, shoot and edit an entire music video within 24 hours. We saw the entire behind the scenes and the reaction of the band on the final result. Today it's Team Red. Jordy, prepare yourself to come up with an idea, design a set, shoot and edit an entire music video for a real band within 24 hours. Your time starts now.
Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring us today. With Squarespace, you can create your own professional website in no time. Their web builder allows you to create custom layouts, menus, galleries, media, and a ton more. Besides building your own website, Squarespace also offers various tools to get your website on a higher rank in search engines or view the analytics. And if you're still stuck on something, their award-winning support will be happy to help you further. To start creating your own website, visit the first link in the description below and enjoy a 10% discount.
We're Ludgard, it's the name of the band. My name is Hendrik and I play bass.
My name is Simon, I'm the singer and the guitarist.
My name is Martijn, I'm the drummer.
And Maarten isn't here, he's the fourth member.
Well, the lyrics are about a guy wanting to leave as well as wanting to stay. That's like a sort of a paradox everyone has inside of themselves, I believe. So the idea is like he's rather content in his own place, he's feeling comfortable, yet he wants to go out and discover things.
Today it's my turn to do the 24-hour music video challenge. Now, the band is going to be here in just a moment, and it's super great that they're going to be here from the beginning, so that means that they can help me with the idea and building the entire set as well. So my timer hasn't started yet. Half hour into the battle and we've already got a great idea, and we're now going to shop and build a set. The idea for the music clip mostly came from the band itself. Because I thought at the beginning, I'm just gonna let them talk and just listen as much as possible. First of all, because the band made the music, so they probably already have an idea. And second of all, I didn't want it to lose too much time discussing. So I just let them speak and gather as much ideas. Eventually they came up with something, and I just kind of added a few things to there, just told them what would work, what wouldn't work. I do believe that I would have gone for a whole different approach. So I would have gone more expressive with everything, more colors, maybe something more eccentric, etc. But they didn't really like that. I just followed them and tried to add in a few eccentric things in there myself.
So I'm here to help Jordy film the behind the scenes, but I'm mostly here to sabotage him.
No, Yannick, no.
Yes, I am. Let the sabotaging begin.
Cheated a little bit and packed a ton of stuff at home that I brought with me today now.
God damn it, Jordy!
We just bought a cabinet, and while taking it out of the car, it broke. All the parts that we got for the set, we bought them at a local store here, a second-hand shop, and we bought one cabinet there as well. So we brought it back to the studio, and while we were unloading it from the trunk, it fell apart. So they kind of fixed it up in that second-hand shop, but they did a pretty bad job at that. We just put some nails in there, we fixed the cabinet.
So Jordy, what are you doing?
I'm sweating, and I'm putting up the lights.
Want some help, Jordy?
No, thank you. I don't trust saboteurs. I don't trust you. No idea what this is right here, but it works. I had a lot of spill light, so I had to flag it off using these flags right here. So now everything is lit well, the way I want to. Before the shoot, I was actually feeling pretty okay. You know, I've had stressier projects in the past, but during the shoot, I had a little bit more stress. Definitely in the beginning, because things weren't going as fast I was hoping for. Eventually, the shoot was actually done faster than I thought. We had a slow start, but ended pretty fast. That was good.
Still you can't deny the call of the wild. Call of the wild. Call
So we are done in the bedroom scene, which is most of the shots. Now we're going to move everything, all of the lights, to the second scene, which is a living room.
Call of the wild. Call of the wild.
There was this one thing that didn't really went as planned. We had this frame on the final shots hanging to the wall, and we wanted to let it fall from itself on the floor. So what we did was attach a rope to it, and someone would pull that rope, and then it would fall, and then afterwards I would remove that rope. But the person pulling that rope was kind of pulling it too hard. So the cabinet where the rope was underneath was also moving. It was on wheels, so that was a mistake that we made as well. And the wallpaper was coming loose. So I eventually did not use the shot, because if I would, it just would have looked weird and funny, something that wasn't in place, because you can see the whole wallpaper, everything moved. So that was something that didn't go quite as planned, so we just left the shot out. That's it. There you go, guys. Everything has been shot. I hope everything went well, because it's the first time that I'm shooting on this camera. But it's in RAW, so I kind of feel okay. Anyways, shut down, because I'm going to the editing room right now. I think I have around 12 hours left or something, I'm not sure. Yeah, let's just go upstairs. I'm super tired. The editing went pretty well, actually. I think I had about 12 hours left when I jumped into the editing part. And at first I was afraid, because there are a lot of visual effects in there. We have these frames that we filmed, and within those frames I would stick a video in there. So that meant I had to motion track those frames, then put the video in there, color grade it to match with the photos. But it went pretty good, actually, I must say. I went through all the tracking in like 2 hours or something. Everything of that was done. So I had like a ton of time left to do the actual editing. And since we were working in a story-based music clip, I didn't really have to edit anymore. I just had to place all the clips that we shot next to each other. So that was it.
Since this was all very new for us, it was impressive to see how this studio worked, and also the camera work. We're totally not familiar with that kind of art, I would say. Because it's very much an art in itself to handle those techniques and to master it. So it was impressive for us as a most of the time as a spectator, because Martijn was all the time acting. I think he experienced it in a different way, but it was never boring, not at all. It was very fascinating to watch. I hope it will be a very interesting clip, because I think the contrast will be very interesting. That it's a very simple idea, but despite the say simpleness of this idea, it will be interesting to watch. Ready, guys?
So that was my shoot, a whole lot different than Yannick's, but also a whole lot better. So vote for Team Red! Next week, guys, you can see both of the clips in the same video, where you guys can vote who won this epic Cine battle. Will it be me, or will it be Yannick's music video? I'm super excited, and I hope that you are too. Stay creative. Vote for Team Red! Team Red! Team Red! Team Red! Next week, guys, make sure to vote for Team Red!